We do have a recorded video from the founder of AQUIT. Please welcome Daniella.
Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm so grateful for the opportunity of sharing what we are doing at Innovation. I wish I could do this in person. Unfortunately, I was not able to travel, so we'll have to do this long distance. I'm Daniella Allberon, CEO and founder of AQUIT, a biotech startup building the new health standard for aquaculture. Let's get started. 2 million people die each year of antibiotic resistance, considered the biggest threat to modern medicine. In only 25 years, it will kill more people than cancer. And food systems play a key role in this, with 80% of antibiotics going to animal farming, including aquaculture, the fastest growing one. But aquaculture producers lack cost-effective and sustainable methods to control infections that already cost $6 billion losses. They have to use harmful antibiotics and inefficient vaccines. This is where AQUIT steps in. We wonder why nobody had tried a way to trigger immunity with something that comes from the fish itself, imitating nature. So we went and created it. We found a solution that is fast, delivering protection in only 7 days, effective because it improves yields, and sustainable because it replaces antibiotics. This is how we made it for salmon. We identified a protein from the fish that fits its immune system like a missing puzzle piece, avoiding inflammation and delivering better results than other immune stimulants. The second largest salmon producer in the world is Chile, where only 2 bacteria cause 80% of the mortality related to infection. We performed trials against SRS, the most significant pathogen that provokes losses of more than $700 million. And only using our product, we obtained 50% survival rates against this pathogen compared to the control group that didn't take it. And this is only one of the problems we are addressing. We also developed an AI platform to replicate our technology with other species. We are working with salmon producers to run trials in the sea to validate our efficacy in critical moments of the production cycle. This year, we're closing a bridge round to run these trials, scale up the production, and start selling. And in 2025, we'll open a seed round to develop the business and create products for other markets and species. We won 2 international innovation awards and raised more than $500,000 thanks to a fantastic team of 4 PhDs, experts in fish immunity, welfare, and bioinformatics. Join us to change the food system. Thank you.